This is Di's YouTube video. Look at this slime. So let's start the video. Ooey dooey, ooey. Ooh, this is pretty. And my pink slime. Oh, Dolly, hi. My name is Di. I'm doing a YouTube video. So look at this slime. Time like ooeys. Like I need to put some pink here. Then gloss and then pump up. Then ooeys. I'm gonna put this side up here. But the black and then whoop. And this slime is like doobies. And then, it's mermaid slime, but I don't want to whip it, it's just better. And look, I'm gonna mix it. Let me just mix it. I need to put it in here most to mix it. Right? Mix. Done. Now I can put it out. Now let me put this time in. Oops. And ooey mix up. And then I'm gonna do the pink. Pink and pop. Mix. Now woo! Ow. Oh hi, Dolly. I was doing this. Slimy. What?